making steamed pudding. Let's start cooking. These are the ingredients I'll be using. I will also have it available up on the side. We'll start with sifting our dry ingredients. Start with self-raising flour. Add salt, baking soda, allspice, cinnamon, and then sift them all in the bowl. We'll add our brown sugar into the frying pan. Melt your sugar on medium heat. Once your sugar is fully melted and it's brown enough but not burnt, we're going to add our hot milk. Add it slowly and mix it through. We're also going to add our coconut cream. Mix it through until the sugar is fully melted. We're going to add our butter now. "70 grams of butter. I'm turning the oven off now. Let it cool for a little bit. Come out in the middle. We're going to add our applesauce. That's 1 cup. And we'll slowly add in our coconut and milk mix. Give it a good mix. Add our vanilla essence. We will add half a cup of water. So I'm using oven bags. I'm going to put some flour in our oven bags. And we are going to fill them up. I'm going to add some sultana to this one, so I'll add some now, and I'm just going to give that a stir in the bag. Add the rest. So here's one with raisin and one without. We are going to put it in our pot. Just like that. Close our pot. and steam our puddings for about 45 minutes, and we shall be back to prepare our custard to have our pudding with. Puddings, you can see, boiling away, and it's rising too. It's nice and soft. I have got 15 more minutes according to the timer, and we should be ready. I will show you in a minute what it looks like. So it's time for us to make our custard. I have about 2 cups of coconut cream. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of custard, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1, 2, 3. I want to start with 3 tablespoons of sugar. So 2 cups of coconut cream, 3 tablespoons of custard powder, and 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to give it a good mix. And we will add it to our pan. Let's taste the pudding. Taste the applesauce, and it's nice with the coconut custard. I made the custard with coconut cream instead of milk. Yum. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for cooking and baking with me tonight. We'll catch up in the next episode. Thank you for watching. Bye.